In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AutoSum function to quickly add up any amount of data that you have in an Excel sheet. So right here, I've just got some receipt entries. Let's say these are business expenses, right? And so I've just got this long list of them that I'm just entering. They're just 89 bucks here, 75 bucks here, so on and so forth. So if you go over to the Formulas tab and you go to AutoSum, all you do, click on AutoSum, right? And then it'll automatically kind of select a range where it thinks that you're trying to grab from, and you can just sort of expand that, right? So that says sum equals sum of A2 through A13, right? This is what we want. Hit enter, bam, there's your sum of all those numbers right there. So that would be, if you want to format it, go over to home and go to $, bam, 2,900 bucks, almost $3,000 worth of expenses. Anyhow, that is how I use the AutoSum feature in Microsoft Excel. I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.